welcome to the channel. We are currently in my Sonata, headed to AutoZone or Checkers to get new spark plugs for the Ford. We got Baby Doll here, as you can see. Should be a pretty good day. We'll see you back over there at the AutoZone. Alright, we made it at AutoZone. I'm going to get some windshield wipers for the truck.
Make your interior pink.
Yeah, no.
Come on, that's perfect for you.
Ain't gonna happen, boo. Ain't gonna happen. Alright, we made it home. Made it to the casa. Yeah, this would be the easy side. It's the other side back there that's the hard thing. So, we'll get cracking, get working on it. This pole is on my brother's trailer. You want to see that? Yeah, he's gonna make a fence out of all this pole stuff. So, truck's tall enough where you need a stepping ladder. How well you're gonna be able to see this or not. Well, it ain't too bad. Alright, I went and got me a little gap tool. Well, it's getting a little too dark to do video, so, and we can't seem to get this one in. It's number 2 spark plug, passenger side, second spark plug in.